Sansok Girls Get It is a 2005 and 2006 TV commercial. Was only aired through GMA, ABS-CBN, and Studio 33. The TV commercial was obscure media and not a lost media. Was a partially found in a camrip version from this to this. This pneumatic tapes or DVD version was lost media that sometimes was aired only on Eat Bulaga through GMA. The TV commercial was partially found. As of now, no TV commercials have recordings to them. It is a obscure media and not a lost media. Sunset Girls Get It was partially found. No Real Chinese Soup is a 2005 or 2006 TV commercial. Was only aired on GMA and ABS-CBN. The TV commercial was obscure and lost media. How remember, the TV commercial was only partially found, featuring the Chinese New Year's selections of this. The TV commercial was lost or obscure media right now.